Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Airtable. The first thing we are going to do, I'm going to show you how we can use templates, and then we will do step-by-step walkthrough of how we can use the Airtable. So let's just start. Now, when you would go to Home Airtable right here, next to the logo you would see Basis, that's like the home, then you would see Templates, Marketplace, and Universe. When you would go to Templates, this is what I like about Airtable, is that you can actually choose what kind of template you want, and you can set it up based on the template. And what I also really like, when you would click on the template, you can see it here, the showcase of how it actually feels like. Then you can let's go to marketing, add sets, creative. I can just click use template and I can add it to some workplace, like let's say here. Then what we're gonna see is marketplace. In marketplace, you can actually connect multiple apps together with your Airtable workspaces and projects. So I get organization chart here, or let's go with chart, and I can simply click on how it looks like, that you can create a hierarchy. Then marketplace, again on chart, that you can install some charts that you can actually use. That's also really good in Airtable. And then you can select universe, it looks like from the communities, etc. So let's start now. Airtable now works like this. First, you got your own workspace. That's like your organization. And in that workspace, you can have your own projects. So you can simply click here on add a workspace. And now you can add like YouTube, right? That's YouTube. Then I can simply add the base and I can start from scratch or start with a template. And I can name it, let's say YouTube channel yoga. Then I can simply create a new base. I can with a template or import data or from scratch again, YouTube channel education, and have these projects under one main workspace. And this is how you can create it. Now, let's just click here on marketing campaign tracking, and I'm going to show you how everything works. It's perfect. Okay, now you can see whew, this is too much. So many things to do. No. It's going to be really easy. First, you're gonna see it here, the menu. And you can simply click between Add Sets, Creative, and every single tab here. You can simply create a new table, and that's, let's say that I have a yoga, right? Yoga. So I would create a new table, and I can name it. Let's go yoga asana. Okay, that will be the first thing that I have here. Then what can I do? I can simply have a views here, and you can use from left side, you can add a grid, you can add a form, you can add a calendar, gallery, and Kanban view. So I can simply, this is like the first grid view that I have. I can simply add a task by just writing, let's go script for yoga. I can add a note here, attachments, and status, or if it's like to do, in progress, or done. And then I can also expand the record in Airtable, and I can simply add the notes here. I can add attachments. I can drop the files if I want to and change the status here. What you can do also now is to simply add new custom fields. So when I'm going to click on add a field, I can add a long text, attachments, multiple select, phone number. We can do that. I can simply again click plus here and add a percentage, duration, formulas, count, lookup, create time, create by. Again, I can simply by who is it created, and again, you won't be able to see right now. Lookup, create time, and barcode button. So really just adding whatever you want to your custom fields. That's perfect. Now let's go even further. What you can do is just 3 dots. You can rename the view, duplicate, download. You can hide some fields if you want to. You can filter it. You can create the groups here or sort it out or changing the colors. And okay, row height, how it's going to be, etc. I can create now, just click Kanban here, status. And as you can see, so this is uncategorized. And now I have it in to do as a script for yoga. I can simply add it to progress and just click done here. And then I can simply delete the task or delete the record. Then you can simply create a form. And this is like really simple. So I can field, I don't know, checkbox. As you can see, it's here. I can rename it. I can add a name here. So you can simply share it then, add a cover image, add a logo if you want, but you need to have a premium version for it. You can simply click then open form in the share form. Right? And someone is going to add a name, notes, and you can really edit your form as you want. Then we can go simple to calendar. Done. And I can simply choose whatever date I have and click plus here and add a task. Right? Perfect, right? Then you can simply add a gallery also. It's like the dashboard, I would say, and use the Kanban view, as I mentioned in the beginning. Now, then, like this is pretty much it, how it works. Then you go again, like you can see the templates here, how they use it. I can open it and see, so I get attached file, campaign, completed. Again, this is like the here, okay, total spend, clicks, conversions. You get literally everything here, and you can really check it out and do it by this, you know? And now, like you can see here that we got the formulas here of conversion rate, and that's a sum. This is like lookup. And yeah, what you can do also is just simply click UTM Builder, and you can see it here. And you can make it as complex as you want. This is the beauty of it, that you can really play around it, and there is no stopping of anything. Because in many times, like Asana is limited. Airtable is much more complex to Asana, for example. And I want to also show you how is the pricing in Airtable. And look at this. You get a free version, but what I recommend is definitely go with the pro version, because you're gonna have like apps here. It's also good that you can like use the applications from the stores if you need them. Now, what I forgot to show you is this. When you would go, we show you. So a campaign. You can simply click here on automations, and you can create automation. So choose a trigger. When record is created, you can simply add an action, send email from Gmail. Wait a second, I'm going to move myself again. So when the record is created, you can send email to, and you can create these automations directly in Airtable. You don't need to connect it with Zapier, and that's pretty cool. And then you have like apps here that you can use and choose. Install application, install. And voila, I can simply create some applications here. And this is pretty much it. And this is how you use Airtable. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.